In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in Gmail. Strikethrough is a handy formatting tool when you want to mark edits, show changes, or indicate that something is no longer relevant without deleting it entirely. You'll see how to do it with the toolbar, and then how to do it even faster with keyboard shortcuts. Start by opening Gmail and clicking Compose to start a new email draft. In the Compose window, type your message just like you normally would. When you reach the part you want to cross out, select that specific text by clicking and dragging over it. Selection matters here. Gmail only applies formatting to what you've highlighted. Next, look at the bottom of the Compose window for the formatting controls. Click the A icon to open the formatting options if they aren't already visible. This toolbar is where Gmail keeps your basic styling tools like bold, italic, font, and more. If you don't immediately see the strikethrough option, click the small downward arrow on the right side of the toolbar. That reveals additional formatting options that aren't shown by default. Now locate the strikethrough button. It's represented by an S with a horizontal line through it. Click that, and the selected text will instantly appear with a line through it. If you change your mind, simply select the same text and apply the strikethrough again to return it to normal. If you prefer to work quickly without reaching for your mouse, use the built-in keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, press Alt+Shift+5. On a Mac, press Command+Shift+X. These shortcuts toggle strikethrough on and off for the text you've selected, which is especially useful when you're editing multiple parts of a sentence or working through a longer email. A few quick tips as you use this. Make sure the text is highlighted before you apply strikethrough, otherwise, the command won't affect anything. If you open the formatting menu and still don't see all the tools you expect, the downward arrow on the far right of the toolbar is the spot that expands the full set. And remember, the visual result you see in the Compose window is how recipients will see it too, so you can confidently format your message without guessing. That's all it takes. Open Compose, type your message, select the text, open the formatting toolbar, expand the options, and click strikethrough or use the shortcuts for a faster workflow. With this, you'll keep your emails clear, organized, and easy to follow.